Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Start now, plug a fast external drive and confirm it mounts. Once connected, formatted apps or Mac OS extended, journaled, if needed so Mac OS can read and write. Open Imovie and go straight to File, Open Library, New, then pick the external drive as the library location. Name the library and click Create. From here, import media directly into that library so your project files and media live on the external drive rather than your Mac. Once done consolidating, quit iMovie to avoid locked files. Locate your existing Imovie library bundle in the Movies folder. Do not open or unzip it. Now drag the entire library bundle to the external drive, preserve the package as is so internal links stay valid. Make sure the transfer completes without errors. Large libraries can take time on slower drives. After transfer, double-click the moved library on the external drive to open it in iMovie and verify that events and projects appear. To finish, open the library from the external drive and confirm all projects and media play correctly. Only then delete the original local copy. Make eject a habit. Always quit iMovie and properly eject the drive to avoid corruption. For safety, keep a backup copy or use Time Machine. If iMovie shows missing clips or refuses to open the library, run Disk Utility First Aid on the drive, repair permissions, and ensure your user has read/write.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.